Hello, my name is Heigo.
And my name is Peep.
And we are in Skeemipesa, and we have worked quite many months with one quite interesting equipment. This was Heinrich Hertz equipment. He gets a task that he need to prove that Maxwell electromagnetic field theory is working in practice. And then he built up one experiment where he has a battery bank. There was a 6 volts battery, and then he connected to the battery Rudolf coil, which making 6 volt DC to high voltage AC voltage, and then he has a spark gap, yeah, where he get a high frequency spark, and when the high frequency spark is starting to work, then comes out high frequency electromagnetic fields, and they going out to the they going inside to this one loop, and then it's introducing the small voltage level in this small spark gap, and then he was sure that Maxwell theory is working also in practice. So, and now we can show how it's working. And there is a spark gap around 1 centimeter or something like that, and there is spark gap around 1 millimeter.
And after Heinrich Hertz has done his job, Marconi was reading his works, and he was thinking that it could be quite useful for transmitting information over air instead of cables. And then he put together a very simplistic spark gap transmitter, which was quite similar to Hertz transmitter. Here is a battery box. This is a high voltage coil that generates about 30-40 kilovolt, and this is a special spark gap. It is useful for reducing energy loss in a spark gap. That's why there is balls used to get that effect. And the principle is similar. Here is an antenna, and this wire is going to ground. And now just push the button and use Morse code. Save our souls. And here is a receiver. The receiver, the most important element of receiver is coherer. And coherer is made of 2 electrodes, and between these 2 electrodes there is a metallic powder. And if high frequency voltage is put on these electrodes, then this cap starts to conduct electricity. And that is enough to make work a relay. Then when relay starts to work, it switches on a bell, and at the same time a bell hits the coherer again, and when coherer gets hit, then this current conducting metallic powder is broken and it stops conducting current. And the bell is ringing as long as there is a high frequency voltage between coherer electrodes. That's quite simple. And with these you can regulate coherer distance from small hammer. Quite complicated apparatus. And it is working this way.